forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No.
Hello my loves, oh my gosh, I am so excited because it is October 1st and you guys know what that means. I am kicking off my Samtacular Halloween series once again, and bam, what do you guys think about this look? I just love how this came out. I love The Nightmare Before Christmas and I love Sally, and I love how this came out. Like, I'm obsessed. It looks so cute. I feel like Sally right now. I was supposed to do this look last year, but I ran out of time. But I think that I nailed it last year and I gave it my all. And this year, just be prepared to be blown away because I have so many more looks coming for you guys. And I just cannot wait. So, without further ado, let me cut all this chit chat and let's get right into this video. First, I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro-Glow Concealer in the shade Nude Beige. And now I'm going in with my Morphe 25L Artistry palette using the shade Peace. And I'm just going to be covering my entire eye with that shade. Guys, you can put your own spin on this. Everybody has their own take on makeup. I just wanted it to be more true to Sally, so I just covered my eyes with this beautiful shade of blue, and I love how it came out. And now I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Brights paint palette and I'm going to be using that gorgeous baby blue shade all over my face. Guys, this applied pretty nicely. I do have oily skin though, so it stayed on pretty well, I'm not going to lie. And for $5, this paint is definitely worth it. I used it last year for my tutorials as well. And like I said, I have oily skin, so it does tend to like sweat off sometimes. But for the most part, it stays on pretty well. And now I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Multistick in the shade Black, and I'm just going to draw her stitches. This is so easy, guys. You don't really have to do much, and it works so well. And guys, this stick was only $1.49, so totally not bad. And now I'm going in with my NYC Eye pencil in the shade White. This is just to line my waterline and make my eyes pop. And then I'm going to apply these gorgeous Wet n Wild false lashes in the style Mysterious onto my eyes. Because, Sally's a gorgeous doll. And then I'm just going to make my eyebrows a little thicker to look like Sally's. And last but not least, to finish off this look, I'm going in with my Morphe Matte Lippie in the shade Bloodshot. Alright my babies, and here is the finished look. What do you guys think? This wig just pulls everything together. It looks so gorgeous and I'm so proud of how this came out. Let me know down below if you guys are going to recreate this, and if you do, please tag me in photos. my babies, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell because you guys do not want to miss my Halloween series this year, as well as so many other videos. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think I will be doing next. What did you guys think about this look? Guys, I'm so excited. I love Halloween. I love spooky season. So many of you do too. So just join my family here on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
It's barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.